Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Neo, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will look similar to this one, and it should come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then take out the tray. Now for that you do need to take off the case of your device, and the tray is located on the top left side of the device, as you can see where the pin is holding right now. You want to push it in, and you can see that the tray will pop out enough for you to be able to yank it out. Now it does actually look like there is no SD card support, so I did apparently lie about that one. I'm just gonna throw it to the side, but we can insert two different SIM cards. So I'm just gonna be occupying one of the spots, but obviously if you want to, and place two cards on either spot. If you're planning to use one, it doesn't really matter which spot you use. From there, carefully insert it back into your device, and the card should start working right away. As you can see, it is telling me to put my SIM card pin to unlock it. And there we go, that's all you need to do. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.